The new ball, a little bit of swing, but it is offered up. Pakistan-England series as well. Oh, bold. He played all around a straight, quick delivery.
This time, Sajid. Very good delivery, straightforward delivery. He wanted to play across the ball. You can't do that as an opener.
Full again. A quick single. That's something they're going to have to do. Overthrows. Clipped. Nice looking shot. Oh, this could be another chance. This should be taken. Is taken. Different start to his.
This pitch is a bit slower, but not from Mohammad Zishan. The ball got big on Mohammad Waqas. A comfortable catch.
Oh, nicked. What a catch. I think this is the catch of the tournament so far.
Mohammad Zishan holds a really good delivery, and Chavez does the rest. Look at that full length dive to his right. That is an amazing catch.
Shahbaz Irfan, what an absolute stunner.
Just look at that. It was moving fast to his right, dipping down. Full length dive.
Oh, that's got to be out. That has got to be out. This is problem. Gujranwala Giants have no idea what's happening with them. It kept a bit low, but was dead in front.
Control from this young man has been excellent. Again, we spoke about this pitch offering a bit of turn for the spinners straight away. In the 6th over, with a ball fairly new. Turn for the off spinner. And that's adjacent. Good decision by the umpire. And if you're a supporter of this Royals team, you'll be happy. Gone for 2, 21 for 4. That's beautiful. That's a gorgeous looking extra cover drive. That's fine enough to get 4.
Scott, there's 3 men in the deep. Just past that first slip.
Cut off the stumps.
Over. Well and truly over. Be 1 bounce, 4.
Oh!
Captain has made the mistake. Whether this just deviates a little bit, he's overrun it. Picked up. A good looking shot this is.
Tell you what, Siobhan Daniel has impressed me. Didn't see much of him in the first innings when he got an opportunity with the bat, but today, been very calculating in his innings.
Going again. Back-to-back 6s. Is this enough? Is enough. A left-hander, hold, better. Not a good outcome though, because it's a half volley and it's punished. Does he get enough of it? He does. What a way to go to it. A half century. Goes all the way. And what a way to bring up the 100 partnership between these two.
And they've done it with a minimum of effort. That's short. It's not all that short. Very quickly onto it.
He's got great speed and is completely messed up by the fielder at deep square leg. Oh, he's gone through. That's high in the air. Will take some catching. 2 fielders are coming under it. And the 3rd one takes it from the deep.
Really good bowling. This was the target. He wanted him to go over mid-on. A brilliant catch. It had to take a catch like this to get Hasnain out by Farhan Yusuf in the deep. Made no mistake. Excellent catching. These are not easy to grab on.
Yeah, he's got pace and that can be put away as well. He's got fast hands and they've got no idea what's going on in the deep. He's hitting them hard. He's finding the gaps and he is making Royals pay for their bad bowling lines. Full toss, put away. Yes, maximum.
It also seems like that they are behind the over 8 because there are 5 fielders inside the circle. There's a full toss, not the best delivery to ball. You can't set a field for that.
Catch it is the call. Long on getting under it. Arham and out. So the bowler who's been waiting for the longest time comes in and tells you how to get rid of.
He sends the long on back, gets the man. The big wicket of Siobhan Daniel. And once the catch is taken, he goes to the batter and congratulates him. Both are happy. You can't make predictions, but the prediction about this shot.
Waits for that ball and then plays it at will in that vacant zone.